If you're wondering how to get real value from AI, this is where it starts. Simple prompts can save you time every single day. Whether you write emails, run meetings, manage content, or plan your week, the right prompt turns a blank screen into a finished draft. For example, let's say you need to schedule a meeting. Instead of thinking through what to say, you could just use a prompt. Write a professional message to schedule a 30-minute meeting next week. Make it friendly but clear. Or you're running a meeting and need notes. Use this prompt. Summarize this meeting recording into action items, decisions, and next steps. Or maybe you're writing a product description. You could say, write a product description that highlights the benefits and includes a call to action and is written in a conversational tone. Each prompt in this guide is written to solve real world tasks. You will not need to guess. You will not need to be an expert. You just need to follow the structure, run it through ChatGPT, Copilot, Gemini, or any other Gen AI tool that you leverage and watch it work. These prompts are not just ideas, these are time savers. Try one or two today, and by the end of the week, you'll wonder how you even work without them. Cool thing is, you can get it on our Substack, and we made it so that you can take a look at it and just become a subscriber to our Substack. So we do have a paid tier. You can take a look at that where we really give you actionable tools that you can use. We have our training platform that you're seeing now, and we have our Substack, and we use them differently. Full on trainings, you come here for more engaging conversation and topics, quick wins, and even some prompt guides. You go there. We use them in contact and within unison so you can get the most out of your career. You can talk to us on both platforms. We're excited to meet you and talk with you. This is a fun challenge, and it's also a reality check. What are you looking is a job post written by artificial intelligence. It says seeking a dynamic individual for a marketing role, must have skills and a competitive salary. It's not wrong, but it's not compelling either. It's vague. It doesn't tell you what kind of marketing. It does not say what success looks like. It does not explain what makes the company excited. Here's your turn. What is missing? What would you add to make this feel more real, more specific, and more human? For example, you might say, we are looking for a marketing specialist to lead our social media and content campaigns. You join a fast moving team, build strategy with the leadership, and grow with a brand that values creative freedom, same purpose, more personality, more clarity. This is how you use AI well, not to do all the right, but create a starting point where you can shape. Give it a try. Rewrite a job post using your voice, make it feel something like a real person would say to apply to. And if you ever get stuck, ask the AI a question. Hey, what else could I be thinking about to make this prompt more effective? And it will tell you. Not all tools are created for the same thing. Just like you wouldn't use a hammer to fix a laptop, you use the right AI tool for the right task. This slide gives you 4 quick matches to save time and make your life better. First, ChatGPT is perfect for resume writing. You can paste in a job description and say, tailor my resume for this role. It will rewrite your experience to match the keywords and tones. This is great when you want a resume to stand out without starting from scratch. Second, DALL-E itself, ideal for social media visuals. If you are launching a new product campaign and want something eye-catching, just describe it. And you can say, create a modern illustration of a busy coffee shop on a rainy morning, and DALL-E will generate it for you. Third, Copilot works best inside spreadsheets, PowerPoints. You can even talk to it within Teams. If you're working in Microsoft Excel, Copilot can help you write and understand formulas. You can say, show me a formula to calculate monthly growth, and it will insert it right into your sheet. And fourth, Claude is useful for long documents and research. Claude can handle more context than other tools. It can summarize, explain, or even generate questions and large amounts of information. Remember, the right tool makes the task easier. Start with what you need to do, then match it with the tools that does the job the best. You don't need to be an expert to get value from AI. You just need the right habits. There's 4 tips that can get you there. The first one is start small. Just begin with a simple, low risk task. That could be something as quickly summarize or generate an idea list for me, or suggest 5 names for a team project. The main thing is just to get comfortable. Next, you got to use it. If you don't use it, you lose it. The old adage, right? It's cheesy but effective. The more you use AI, the more natural it feels. You build a habit. And instead of spending 25 minutes trying to figure out how to start a paper, just ask AI. Sometimes I will start a rough draft and say, hey, AI, can you help me think through what should come next in this paragraph? And then sometimes when that happens, I need to provide feedback. I need the tone to be a little bit more business casual. I need to have it 2,000 words. And I also need it to be concise, direct, and concise. So, what does that help me do? Now that helps the AI learn how I want my content to be. So, providing feedback is critical. And then finally, verify output. Always double check what AI writes. I build into my workflow just to go check it on. I go to Google, right? I go to Bing. I go check and see. All right, let me type what they wrote in and about this topic. Is it accurate? I ping someone I know who would know the information. Is this accurate? Just verify. Just don't take what it produces as it being factual because it does hallucinate. It does provide wrong information. This is how you turn AI from a tool into a time saving teammate. Let's bring everything together with a few simple takeaways. First, AI is now accessible. You don't need to be a coder, a developer, or even a data scientist to use it. If you can describe a task in plain language, AI can help you get started. And that's a major shift. These tools are now built for everyone. Second, start with simple tasks. Begin with an email, ask for a summary. Try it on a paragraph or a small decision. This helps you build confidence without pressure. Third, think of it as an AI teammate. You're not handing off your skills, you're enhancing them. Let AI give you the first draft, and then you finish it with your voice and expertise. And finally, improves results. The more you prompt, the better your results get. And as you learn what to say and how to say it, AI learns to deliver exactly what you need. So take a prompt from this session, try it out today. One task, one request, and that's all it takes to turn curiosity into confidence. Before we get wrapped up, take a moment to think about this. What was your biggest takeaway from today? What stood out to you? What surprised you? Maybe it was the idea that AI is now accessible to everyone. Maybe it was the fact that simple prompts can unlock powerful results. Or maybe you realize that you can use these tools right away to make your day a little easier. Now think about how you will apply it. What is one task, one experience, or one moment where you will try using AI in your own work life this week? Whether it's writing a better email, building your resume, or organizing your thoughts, just try it. And that's is where the learning becomes real. And if you want to share what you learn, we'd love to hear it. Post your key takeaways and AI experiments and tag us on Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, TikTok. We're there. Go ahead and send us a message. You can also use hashtags GenAI or generative AI. The best way to grow is to reflect and share. And today you have taken that first step. If today's session sparked your curiosity, you're just getting started. I'll release in part two of the series very soon. In that session, we will go even deeper into advanced prompting, smart workflows, and how to build your own AI toolkit for daily use. We will also cover industry specific tools and how to apply AI safety and responsibility in real world work. Be sure to watch for that and subscribe to the Tech Made Human podcast because there we break down AI is super easy way to understand. And my co-host, Jeremy McKellar, does a great job at sharing what's new, how to use it, and how it would be relevant in your day-to-day life. You can find Tech Made Human on YouTube and across all social, and you can find it on all major podcasts. And I'll be sharing content to help you keep learning at your own pace. AI is not about being perfect, it's about trying things, learning what works, and building new confidence along the way. I appreciate you for being here. You're already taking the first step, and the best is still to come. If you're ready to go further with AI and want to support every step of the way, the Tech Simplified Growth Pass is built for you. And inside of you will unlock this part two of this course of over 10 hours of advanced content. We go deeper into prompting, ethics, real world workflows. You can apply right away. We also got access to the Microsoft AI 900 fundamental training that goes into unsupervised AI learning, supervised learning, and so much more. And if that wasn't enough, you get access to our cloud training, our security training, and also to our career agents. We have a resume writer, we have a LinkedIn profile optimizer, a networking agent as well to help you make more connections on LinkedIn. And the great thing is, it's $9.99 per month, super cheap. And no, it's cheap intentionally because learning shouldn't be expensive. It should be able to help you build your skills daily so you can stay ahead of AI. And that's the reason why we made that. In addition to that, we also have our Substack page where we post different articles between templates, resume templates. We're going to start adding there. We're going to have prompt books there. We're going to have, we already have different articles you can read. And that one is only between $7.99 and $8.99. And the big difference is our written content is there. And then our video content is inside the Growth Pass. Pick one that you like. You'll enjoy both of them. Trade into your tool set to help you stay employed, get employed, or increase that paycheck. We got soft skills, security, cloud and AI training, and that's the one area that is not getting their jobs removed, at least anytime soon, is those areas. And that's why we picked them, because it will help you. So again, join the Growth Task today, join our Substack today, and join our community and keep talking with us. Excited to build with you. Drum roll, please. You have made it this far, and now it's time to take the next step. Join us and unlock everything you need to grow in AI. It's not just to watch, but to actually do it and implement it. First, you get a complete AI mastery. That means access to our full library lessons to help you transform your skills. Second, you get exclusive downloads, checklists, templates, prompts, career roadmaps to save you time to boost your results. Our job is to remove the complexity so you can focus on building your career and getting everything that you dreamed of. So click now to sign up for the Growth Pass. And then when you're done, go sign up for our Substack to follow us there and give us feedback, what you like, what you didn't like, and what you would like to see in our training library. So every month we're trying to at least come up with one training, if not more. If you are a trainer and you think you can add some value, let me know, because there might be some chance for us to collaborate and leverage your skill set. So again, until next time, Sly Gittins is out. Peace.